Right, good morning, everybody. This is Lee with Skywatch.nation. Um, I was going to get one out last night, but the video I made got messed up, so I'm doing it now. Okay, so this is Moonglow Observatory in Missouri last night. Watch this video. Um, there's kind of like an edge of something over here. There's a weird cloud over on that side there. And then sort of above the trees, some weird things. It almost look like rain, but I can't really tell what's going on there. See, look at that. It's kind of weird, almost like it could be rain, but and you get that weird cloud right there too. It's kind of looks kind of funny. But if you look back, actually, it looks like there's a big shadow right there. A very large shadow in the shape of like basically the shape of a round object. Um, Basically, like we're seeing half of well, a big large planet or something. Look at it. So if you look, and I did edit a version, so you will see that in a second. But and you can sort of see how that cloud creates a shadow on it or somehow. So see that? So it's that whole big hump in there. So yeah, that's the stuff we see, and the stuff we want answers for. So that's why I'm really frustrated with NASA because. If we can see this with regular cameras, and of course NASA can see it, right? Um, okay, let me go back here, see what we got. Okay, so let me see. So here is an edited version. Again, I wish that cloud wasn't there because, it'd be nice to really get a good look at what's back there, but there is something back there creating a big shadow. Big shadow. It looks round. Looks like there's half of an object that's round. Almost looks like it even has craters on it or something. And you get that weird cloud that's sort of there, trying to hiding this, or that's magically there to shroud this. Amazing how that happens all the time. Okay, so okay, and I also got a little treat for you guys. Something I took back in 2017. Used to see this a lot. Okay, so this was in southern Vermont in 2017. So clearly, look at that. Watch, a very, very odd looking sun. Look at that. That's clear skies. Clear skies over there. All clear. And by the sun, look at that. By the sun, look at that. Those are not contrails, okay? I don't care what anybody says. Those are not contrails. Look at those. Those are crazy. Look how much those spread out, and right next to the sun magically. And the sun looks kind of weird in itself too. And you know, it's just it's just it's it's just evident that they were doing something. Trump put a stop to it. But I've been noticing that it's starting to pick back up, and these are nanoparticulates of um, aerosols, aluminum, barium, and yes, they reflect things and they can obfuscate things, but they also come down at some point. And when they do, we breathe those in, and they go in our water, and we drink them. So we get those nanoparticulates of metals that go into our bodies. So this is a really bad idea. I really don't want to see this start back up again, which it appears that it is. But everybody should do anything in their power, whatever they can do, to put pressure to have this not happen, because it's just not good for anybody in the environment or in anything, for anything. And lastly, okay, so here we go. Where was this? This is in Hong Kong. Hoku Nature Education in Hong Kong. Okay, so there's the original. There's the zoomed back so you can see everything. And then here is the edited version. And I want to know What is what does that looks like a word? Does look like a word in there? Hold on a second. What does that say? Hold on a second here. But there clearly, it looks like a word in there. And I'm going back in there. Look at this. Oops. Come on. Look at this. Right in there, right all around here, right there. If I didn't know any better, that looks like that's lettering. Right, look at this. Like D, maybe O, almost a G, and then there's kind of like an S. You see that? You see that? Look at that. So if anybody can figure out and tell me, oops, what this word says, I will be amazed. I'll be very thankful too. But what does that say? Clearly it looks like lettering, doesn't it? Maybe it's just me, but look at that. Doesn't that look like lettering? It looks like lettering of sort. And let me see if I can get it to pop out anymore. I tried to get it so I could pop out not as much as possible, but let's see if I can get it to pop out anymore. Let's try one more thing. Let's try one more thing. Okay, so there it is. So, okay, there. Let's try this. Okay, contrast. Okay, so do you see it? And yeah, this is trying to get this to come out a little more. I can't tell what that says or what, but it looks like, yeah, it looks like there's a word there, doesn't it? I don't know, whatever it is, it's very bizarre. I can tell you that. It's very weird. So let's see if we can see that. See, there's clearly like a lettering or something weird going on there. Anyways, so I don't know. Just I can clearly something weird going on there. It almost looks like a word or something. So if anyone can figure that out, please let me know. Okay. Thank you, and I will see you guys again on probably on Friday. So don't forget to hit that follow button, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.